Amazon started a new way of running ads. They have just launched AI driven prompt search advertising, where it will turn your sponsored products and sponsored brand ads into a smart interactive assistant. This prompt will help shoppers to get all the information, get confident, and it will help them to decide faster. And Amazon will do this by their Rufus AI. And this AI will get all the data from your product detail page, brand store, and from your advertising campaign. So as a seller, if you are not taking the full advantage of this new AI environment, then you will be left behind and lose many of your sales. Let me break down everything so you can start implementing for your Amazon sponsor ads. You already know about Amazon Rufus AI, and whenever you are going to search on Amazon, you will see the Rufus assistant will start to share some questions suggestion with you, and whenever you are pressing them, it will start a conversation with you and give you different product suggestions. But from now, whenever you are visiting any product detail page, sometime you will see some prompt that marked as sponsored, and whenever you are clicking that prompt, it will open up the conversation and started to give you the suggestion about the products and like similar product from this brand. So it will be very easier for you to like understand about the product, because within just one click you will able to get all the information that you need. Usually this prompt search advertising will be triggered from your Amazon sponsored product ads, but for Amazon brand ads it will show these types of prompt just below your Amazon brand ads. Like for example, here you can see there's a brand that's running, and just below it there's a prompt, and whenever you are clicking it, you will see the suggestion from Amazon Rufus AI, and this will trigger from Amazon brand ads. Now let me show you from your campaign manager how you can access this option and optimize your campaign based on the data. So I have opened up one of my account here, and from here you can see like in only November I sold around 283k, just under 10% A cost. So here if I open up one of the campaign, like I will open a automatic campaign here. So I have opened an automatic campaign here, and when I go into the ad group, like open up one of my ad group here, here's the first tab, you can see ads, and here you can see the prompt and the video option. I will talk about the video later on, but first let me explain the prompt. So just as I shown you earlier, there are some prompt that will be visible under your product detail page or just below your brand ads. All this prompt, if anyone click that prompt and Amazon shows your products ad after clicking that prompt, then here they will show all the prompts. So like for example, here it will show some prompt that what was the prompt there and what was the basic replay and which of your product that got suggested, and here they will show all the other data, like for example here you can see the spend, order, sale, and ROI, and you can see all the data that will be shown here. So for example, you can see the A cost, ROI, cost per click, CTR, clicks, impression, and all this data you will able to see just beside the prompt, and you will have the option to on and off any prompt that are showing your ads or not. So here you can see how the data will look like after your product been shown for any prompt searches. So for example, here it shows the prompt, like the prompt could be there and someone click in this prompt and your ad been shown, like that can be a multiple of your ASIN can be shown in the ad, and then how much impression, clicks, spend, sale, and A cost, every data will be there. And in sample response, if you move your cursor, then you will able to see what was the response that Amazon Rufus AI made when anyone click on this prompt. As Amazon just launched this new feature, so many of your account still will not have that much data because this is on beta version, and Amazon are right now gathering all the data and getting idea how they will implement this in the advertising campaign. Because right now I have opened up this create campaign option, and I'm trying to create any campaign like the sponsor product campaign here, and I can see there are no specific option to like target any prompt. So for example, the automatic campaign still have same automated beaded option here, like I don't have any other option to add like prompt. Then if I target like manually, it is still manual targeting, like keyword targeting or like product targeting. So they still don't have the option to add any prompt into the campaign targeting section. So definitely it will take some time. So running your ads from the prompt search, it will not cost you any extra money or something like that. They will show your product automatically, but definitely it will be under like Amazon sponsor product. So after getting some data, maybe later on Amazon can introduce some new option in the Amazon product ads or like brand ads, and they will give the option to like specifically run your campaign by targeting the prompt. Now it may depend, later on Amazon will give us the option to pick the prompt, or it will be an automatic campaign type where Amazon will automatically show the ads from the prompt. Either way, it will be Amazon's profit. But as a seller, if you are seeing any improvement in the sale, definitely I will like recommend you to start running the ads very soon, because in future upcoming days many of the shoppers will move into AI searches, and they will try to shop through AI. Because you saw the Chat GPT, Atlas, they have launched an automated system to online shopping. So definitely if you are a Amazon seller, it's your biggest chance to start implementing this for your brand, so that most of the time you able to show your products ads whenever anyone is searching. So if you have much more data, then definitely it will be easier for you to get the recommendations from Amazon Rufus AI. Now let me show you the video that was showing earlier in Amazon sponsored product ads. So Amazon launched a new way to add video in your sponsored products campaign, because right now video is very essential. Because if you have many features, instead of just reading the 5 bullet point about your 5 feature, it will be much more easier and faster to know about the product feature just by watching a simple video. And as Amazon launched the new AI video creation, like it's for free, so they are also encouraging seller to add more video into their product listing. So for example, when you click on the video, it will show up all of your product ASIN, and then you can just click on add video, and then it will give you the option to add a video here. So you can add like 5 video for each of your product. So like 5 video will be 5 key feature. Like it's not like a video like with all the features. This will mainly focused on your features. So whenever you are uploading any video, you will type out what's the feature you are trying to show in this video. This heading will shown into your video title, and in the video it should show the feature you are trying to explain to your customer. So you can add 5 video, and each video should be at least 7 seconds long and clearly demonstrate one feature. That you need to keep on mind, that you don't show more than one feature in one video, because Amazon is giving you option to add 5 videos. So I am guessing instead of like 5 bullet points, they are trying to give 5 video options, so that just you will say the product feature name and then a simple 10-second video, and then we like another feature name and the 10-second video. So that's how you can show up your video, like minimum one video will be displayed, and rest will be saved in your creative asset. So here you can see the video guideline. So you can see the main focus will be 7 second long. At least it needs to be a 7 second video. So make sure you are having a 10-second video, because showing a product feature within 10 seconds is not that difficult, but it will be easier for you to conversion, because here you can see they said it's a 9% CTR improve, by their Amazon internal data. So definitely uploading video will help you to get more CTR, and it will help to get more customer to understand your product much faster and easier. And you can see there's the heading, feature heading, like easy to use, 20 bar pump, steam footer, etc., etc. In this era of AI booming, every business, everything is like moving very fast, and you must have to keep up with those technological changes. Otherwise, you will left behind, and your business will also be destroyed, or like no one will remember you. So definitely, as Amazon is making so many changes very frequently in their Amazon advertising sector, so you need to act faster. And in Ecomclips, we are helping our client to optimize their listing, so that in AI searches they able to show your product detail much more deeply. So it will help them to make proper decision for their shoppers, and it help them to gain more sales. Also, we help to build them CTR images and the videos that will help them to increase the conversion rate. If you want to get a free audit to know where your listing is standing in terms of AI searches, then mail us at info@ecomclips.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future Amazon ad strategy. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.